duck's waiting on his mama. You go run on up, honey, okay? Can you go run on up? Morris got down. You can go up. And Morris can come back up again. Hi, Morris. Hi. Hello. Trying to set it down as best I can. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Hi. We have another lovely sunny day. Supposed to be pretty nice today, but I admit I don't remember the high temperature. As of last night in the 10-day, there are no temperatures in the 30s. But it's 44 right now and breezy. It's chilly out here. I've got on my jacket. Well, I'm a little sad to see that my forsythia is almost done for this spring. Bummer. It looks so pretty out there. But it lasted, what, 10 days? It was pretty for a while. And it's just clear blue skies up there. Won't be long before we're going to be seeing a lot of leaves. This tree right here is well underway. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Well, Dawn and I are in here, the weight room, doing our workout today. Hopefully we'll go for a nice outdoor leisurely walk tomorrow, although we need to pick up trash along Wagstaff too. But anyway, we're plowing through. I am a little over halfway. Yay!
Yeah.
Right, Donnie?
That's right.
Hey.
Hey, I'm trying to start my exercise.
Oh yeah, did you miss it for your elliptical?
No, I started it, but I'm trying to do circuit training.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't do the stationary bike. I forgot, so I need to really remember for the last half.
Circuit training, there it is.
Don's doing a 1-minute hit. Go, Donnie, go. High intensity interval training. In other words, give until you ain't got no more. It's hard to do. Really hard. Feeling you get when you come out of the gym and there's a brisk air outside to cool you down.
Feels great.
It does feel great. Came out of the nice warm house to come over here and check, see if my daffodil's blooming, and it is. Woohoo! And it's still a little chilly out here today. Just gonna take a picture and everything, but maybe I got 2, 3 open over here. Very nice, very nice. Wow, this one bulb has 3 blooms. See? There it is. They're blooming. Yay! Dawn's tree is leafing out. It's hard to show you the little buds, but I'm going to recommend that he and I come down here together and gently tap on these dead leaves. They're falling off really easy, and that way they'll be gone when the new leaves open up, so it'll look pretty. Like I did in the tree in the backyard by the back door a day or 2 ago. There's Tux. Thanks, buddy. Stripe and Marty are in the house. I wanted to see if I had any flowers forming on my tulips, and the answer is an absolute yes. How exciting. Very, very exciting. And so easy and reasonably inexpensive.
Well, back to the dryer. Marianne said it's messing up. Yeah, you can see the pointers up here and the lights down there. And see, it's not really working. Last time I did this, between this spot and this point, it's like it's got a wide area there to wipe. Oh. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's definitely messed up, but it's acting differently. I mean, this is flat, just doesn't like normal. It won't line up the normal light. Ah, there it goes. That's flashing is typical what it does. Anyway, you get a gist. There's something wrong. I'm gonna take the panel out and clean the contacts. I don't know if that'll help. I might solder a couple of capacitors on or something.
Finishing this, but I'm gonna stop when Sam gets here. I think there was about 20 steps. I've done 3 now. Hi. Yes, you're good help. You are. You're good help. And Sam is here. There's a lot of cat loving going on in between lasagna cooking.
Serious.
Sam did the meat duty, browning the meat and the onions and garlic and all that stuff, and it's ready to go. We're just waiting for the noodles to come out of the oven now, and we'll do the assembly. Piece of lasagna.
Oh, I'm starving. Quit recording and let me eat.
Okay, there might be ice cream too. We had a good time with Sam. The lasagna and the ice cream was excellent. I'm pretty tired, but I do really want to finish this. So I've got like 10 steps. So it should be a no-brainer, and I might do a little something else afterward. We'll see. Well, there it is. The only thing missing is the princess, and I'm sure I have more princesses around here somewhere. When I find them, I'll, come back and add one. I also put back together, fixed this summer caravan set. Hi. It has a really nice slide out over here. This is a step, so you can see inside. And the little car with the, tow hook and the picnic tables. It comes complete with a hedgehog.